Did you know that laughter can actually add years to your life? Studies show that people who laugh regularly are 40% less likely to experience heart disease. But humor isn't just about health, it's a game changer in personal development. Being funny can make you more confident, help you connect with others faster, and even turn awkward situations into opportunities. But how do you make something funny? It's not about just telling jokes or cracking one-liners. The real secret lies in a few simple strategies anyone can master. In this video, you'll learn how to transform any situation into a laugh-out-loud moment. Whether you're at work, a social event, or just talking to friends, we'll show you how to find humor in the everyday. Get ready to discover the unexpected power of humor in your personal growth journey. Chapter 1. The power of playful perspective. One of the best ways to make something funny is by shifting your perspective. Comedy often comes from seeing things in a way others don't. Imagine a regular day at work. If you can look at it as an absurd sitcom episode, suddenly, everything becomes comedic. The first strategy is to train your mind to spot the humor in your surroundings. Find the quirks in the ordinary. Humor comes from the unexpected, so allow your mind to wander and find those little moments that others might miss. In fact, studies show that people who practice this type of thinking are more creative. A 2019 study found that creative thinkers are 30% more likely to spot humor in daily life. The key is to stop taking everything so seriously. Life is full of small, funny details if you just look closely. Chapter 2. The secret sauce of timing. Patience is key. Timing is everything in comedy. There's a reason why comedians pause before delivering their punchlines. They're creating anticipation. The timing of a joke is just as important as the joke itself. A well-timed pause gives the audience a moment to process what's coming next. This little trick increases the impact of your punchline by as much as 50%, according to a study published in Psychological Science. Think about it. When a speaker or comedian pauses before saying something, it keeps people on the edge of their seats. This sense of tension makes the release, the joke, much funnier. You can practice this by pausing slightly longer than usual when telling a story. It makes people pay attention and primes them for what's coming next. Chapter 3. Humor as a confidence booster. Humor is an incredible tool for boosting confidence. It's not about being the funniest person in the room but using humor to make yourself feel more comfortable. Laughter is a social bonding tool. A 2021 study found that people who use humor in conversations are 37% more likely to connect with others. When you laugh with people, you immediately break the ice and create a bond. This is especially helpful in situations that may normally feel awkward, like meetings or networking events. By finding humor in tense moments, you can disarm any situation. Think of it this way: humor shifts the focus away from you and onto the fun, easing any self-consciousness you may have. It also gives others the impression that you are confident and in control, even when you're not. Over time, this helps you grow more comfortable in social situations. If you want more tips on how humor can boost your confidence, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Chapter 4. Turning failures into punchlines. Failure doesn't have to be embarrassing. It can be the foundation of great comedy. One of the best ways to make people laugh is by laughing at yourself. Think about some of the most memorable stand-up routines. The funniest comedians often talk about their worst moments, turning their failures into stories that make everyone laugh. This is a form of self-deprecating humor. When you share a personal failure with humor, you show vulnerability. People appreciate this honesty, and it builds connection. According to the New York Times, 78% of people find self-deprecating humor endearing because it shows humility. You can use failures as an opportunity to laugh at your own mistakes. This doesn't just entertain, it helps you grow emotionally. Chapter 5. The Science of Laughter. How it works. Understanding the science behind laughter can help you harness its power. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that make us feel good. This is why laughing makes us feel lighter and more at ease. But laughter also has a practical purpose. It can lower stress levels by reducing cortisol, the stress hormone. Interestingly, humor can even improve your health. A 2015 study found that people who laugh frequently are 50% less likely to experience heart disease. This shows that humor isn't just fun, it's good for you. When you use humor in your everyday life, you're doing more than entertaining yourself and others. You're boosting your health and well-being. Chapter 6. The Art of Surprising the Audience. Expect the unexpected. Surprise is the heart of comedy. The best jokes don't just follow a predictable pattern, they catch you off guard. The art of surprise can make a simple situation laugh out loud funny. It's about setting up expectations and then flipping them on their head. When people expect one thing but get something else, that's when the laughter comes. This technique is used by comedians and speakers alike. When you tell a story, build the narrative in a way that makes your audience think they know what's coming. Then, deliver the unexpected. This is why surprise endings are so effective in comedy. Studies show that surprise can cause a 30% increase in laughter. The key is to keep your audience guessing, so they never know what's coming next. If you enjoyed these tips and want more ways to use humor in your life, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you'll not only get laughs but also improve your personal development. Humor can help you become more creative, confident, and even healthier. So the next time you find yourself in a conversation, remember that a little laughter can go a long way.